Hi guys, so the question is a coin is tossed two times. Find the probability of getting both heads and both tails. So now let's solve this question. Let E be the event of getting both head or both tail. So now we have to determine the sample space for the experiment, which will be both heads, first head then tail, first tail then head, or both tails. Therefore, the total number of outcomes will be 4. So now the favorable number of outcomes will be either both heads or both tails. So therefore the total number of favorable outcomes will be 2. Now probability of any event is defined as the favorable number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. According to the question, it will be 2 upon 4 and the answer will be 1 by 2.